In previous lesson, we've separated the route from index.js file. And in this lesson, we're gonna make our code more concise and cleaner and well structured. When we separate this schema also, the schema and the model. So inside the folders, we're gonna create a new folder and we're gonna name it models. And we're gonna create a model for the pack. So pack.model.js. And we're gonna copy that code, this model here, with box schema. We're gonna just copy it and paste it here. And don't forget to import also this Mongoose. And the same as the routes. Now we are done with our POC model, but to use this code inside other JavaScript files, we need to export it. So we're gonna just add module.exports equals to mongoose.module, like this. Now let's press save and go and import it here inside box route. So here we're gonna import it using the require function. So require, we will go to other file. So we want to go level up. So to go level up, just add 2 dots. If you are in the same root folder, just 1 dot is enough. But if you want to go up, because we are here, we want to go to our module. So we're gonna just add 2 dots to go up a level. Now we're gonna select the models file. Now we're gonna select the models folder. Again, the POC.model. And let's store it with a constant called POC model. Now let's press save and let's test our application again. Now here's Postman. Let's try to post a new POC. It works as expected. Let's try to make any changes here in the model. For example, let's add a new property, for example, price. So here price, and it's gonna be required. And the type of it is gonna be number. So the price, the type is number, and it's required. Now let's try to create one. It should throw an error. Look, bad request, because we need to add the price. So here, let's add the price. Let's make it, for example, 40. Now let's press send. Now a new POC has been created. Now the model in a single folder, the routes in other single folder, and the entry point is too much cleaner. So we can add multiple routes and multiple models.